Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your invitations on the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our DMs and our teammates. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the little person icon or profile picture. And then in the middle, we find invitations to connect. Now, if we tap on this, we can see the received invitations on the left side. And if we swipe to the right, we can see the sent invitations. So in the left, we see the invitations that we got from people to join other channels. And in the right, we see the invitations that we sent to people. So we can track back who we invited and track back who invited us. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.